Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome back to my channel. So we are playing with the January box of the month and it's so pretty. So we have raining books and boots, we have chasing rainbows, we have stamp sets, and they are so pretty and cute. Look at these A2 card fronts and you get the sentiments. And if you have the one and done sentiments die by Teresa, it will cut out all those sentiments. And I'm going to foil mine today. So much fun. So I'm going to get out my Heidi swap foil machine and foil those. And then we have this beautiful stamp set and it's called Rainy Day Cheer, and it's just so cute. I love the ducks, I love the frog, so much cuteness, the boot, all the sentiments. I always adore all the sentiments in the stamp set. They're just so much fun and I love that. So that's a big thing that I look for is sentiments, and Not Too Shabby always has lots of sentiments on their stamp sets. So super great. And I love this stamp set as well. It's so pretty. And I will put all the everything that comes in the box of the month down below for you. And usually you have to get a subscription to get everything, but sometimes you can buy the paper separately, or if you join the paper club subscription. So I'm going to use these two A2 card fronts. I think they're so pretty, and I'm going to use one stamp set or one image from that stamp set, and I'm trying to figure out which one would be cute. The duck would be cute with that puddle. I just love that. And you have that pretty kitty. And so let's get started with foiling. And I'm going to use Deco Foil. It's amber watercolor. And I'm just going to cut a piece and lay it on my sentiments. And then I'm going to get my Heidi Swap foil machine out. And I don't have the plastic sleeve, so I'm going to use a copy paper, and I just fold it in half. And I just put my sentiments in there and my foil, and it works fine. I just get a new copy paper each time. Probably a waste. I should get the sleeves. So look how pretty. So they're like a goldish watercolor foil. And then I'm going to use Teresa's One and Done sentiments die and cut those out. So yay. I love how all those came out. I actually foiled more sentiments after this so that I could keep them ready to go. I love foil, and so I'm so happy that you can foil those. So I'm trying to see what to do with these A2 card fronts, and so I'm gonna color up this cute frog, and I'm just using my Copic markers with some quick coloring. And I will have my Copic markers listed down below in case you are interested. I'm just using a few greens here. And I was trying to decide what to use for the umbrella and the raincoat. It's just so cute. I love it. And it's just so springy. So do you love spring? I love spring. And this January box is just so much spring. I love it. And I love critters, and I love this stamp set because of the frog and the ducks. Adorable, and you get the rainbow, and it's just so cute to cheer anybody up. Perfect for all year as well. So I chose to use some purple colors for the raincoat. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl frog, but it didn't matter. It's just going to be cute. And I thought it was really easy to color. I'm actually going to fussy cut this frog out because I thought my brother's scan and cut might not see the raindrops maybe. I don't know. It maybe could have if I fixed it. But sometimes I enjoy fussy cutting, so I'm just going to fussy cut and it was really simple to cut out this frog and the cloud up above. And it could be cute if you do just color it like that, leave as is. You can cut this cardstock. I believe this is A2 cardstock, and I'm using Nina 110 pounds and stamped with Memento Tuxedo ink, which I forgot to mention. And so you could easily just color and put a sentiment, and this page would be good to go for an A2 card. But I am going to add it to one of those card fronts. So trying to decide, I decided to get my BG markers out and color the umbrella with those colors there, and so super cute. And so I hope you subscribe to the box of the month. Jamie always has videos, and you can see what exactly comes in the box of the month, like I just showed you at the beginning of the video, but she does a very clear explanation of what comes in there, especially the ephemera. I always enjoy watching her videos and what she makes, so check those out as well. And I'm excited. This is my first video being on the design team. I came from the challenge team, so I'm super excited to share the box of the month and also the paper pad club. So I hope you will subscribe if not subscribed, so that you can see my videos. I'll also be on the Not Too Shabby shop channel as well. So yeah, I would love it if you check out my videos. And so super cute, and I can't wait to see what you make as well, if you subscribe, or hopefully you will subscribe, and just check out the website, because you can get extra items or buy some items separately. And the stamp of the month is always so great. I had the stamp of the month and junior box, and I really enjoyed getting those every month. So just adding some cheeks to this cute frog and blending it out a little bit with my colorless marker. And so cute. So I'm going to fussy cut those out with my scissors, and there it is. And there's my foiled sentiment, and there was a little over foiling, so I just going to use my eraser and take that piece out, which was super easy. And then I have an A2 card base here, and I wanted to do something different with this card front, so I cut it out with a scalloped rectangle. And then I'm going to get out some vellum, and there was a little piece hanging off of this A2 card base, so I just trimmed that off, and using my bone folder to crease everything. And then I'm going to use my tape runner and just add that to my card base. And this is a really simple card, these A2 card fronts. You can just add in a sentiment and add it to a card base, and it's done. So really cute and very pretty. And especially if you foil your sentiment like I did here, I think it's extra, and I love it. So I'm going to add a foam strip to that sentiment, and there we go with that one there. And I have a bunch of my foiled sentiments just up above. And so here is my other card base for my other card that I'm going to add with my frog. And so here's where I'm going to add some vellum. So I decided to use some of these scissors. They're the decorative scissors, and maybe you have some that you got from your craft store. I have these from Michael's, I believe, a long time ago. And so I'm going to try and see how I can add some vellum to my card. And so I wanted this card to be a little different. So that's why I'm trimming some vellum, and I think it's fun. I haven't used these scissors in so long. So if you have these, grab them. They're so fun to use. I'm gonna have to use them more often. So much easier than getting a die and running it through your die cutting machine. And it's not perfect, of course, but I love that it's not perfect. And I'm just going to add that with liquid glue because my frog is going to cover, there's where the liquid glue, and you can't see it. I was just rubbing it down and using my bone folder, and I will just add the frog and the cloud, and that will cover up those glue areas. And I think it's just super fun to see a different material on your card, like the vellum. So great. And then I will add my sentiment as well for this one. And of course, I do love the ones from the stamp set, but I am just in love with the foiled sentiments right now. So I am just going to enjoy adding those to these cards. And I did, like I said, I did foil some others because it was on my Mink machine, and so I was like, well, why not just foil some more? So it was super easy to do all at one time and cut them all out with that sentiment die. So I'm just adding some enamel dots. These are the Blue Christmas sparkling enamel dots from Not Too Shabby Shop, and I will link everything down below so that you can grab everything. And I did color the cloud with like a blue G, like a BG marker, and so I think it's fun. And yeah, so I had so much fun making these cards, and I'm going to add some other enamel dots to my other card front here as well. So I have these blue ones, and I just love these blue ones. I'll have to buy a full pack. So if you get the full pack, that's awesome because I don't have them. I have some of these strips, which I love, and I was gonna hoard them because I love them so much, but I'm just gonna have to get me a full pack. And I'm adding 3 there. And then I will share, I believe I add some white ones here. Oh, I added some sequins to this A2 card front. And so here are both my cards. So thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.